we have a beautiful setup here. A7 IV with 24-70 G-Master II lens, the new G-Master lens. This is where it's at, the lens, baby. I'm ready. Photography, video, dancing, hype, man, all of that. You already know what it is, man. Hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. Just want to say, happy anniversary, baby. I love you. Number 7, with a lifetime to go. God is good. Yeah! So the battery was dead, but I have a backup battery. All right, first time ever, y'all. Check it out. Y'all with me. And we are powered on. HDMI port right there. Full-size HDMI port. You know, you can shoot live, plug in. Alright, anniversary gift for my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Salute all veterans. Here we go, folks. It's the kit lens. Thank you to my lovely and beautiful wife for this anniversary gift. Thing over here, we're gonna hook up here. Okay, as you can see, I got it in there. Right, came out. Right there, here's the click. There it goes. All right. Picking up my A7 Sony Mark IV today at Best Buy. Just patiently waiting here. Just waiting here for my new A7 IV. Yeah, all right. Stay tuned. Picking up the new A7 IV. There you go. Thank you, Doc. Appreciate you. All right, Marine. All right. Got it. Photography, videos, dancing, hype, man, all of that. You already know what it is, man.